Hello guys, I'm Jagath and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video let us have the initial impression of Samsung Galaxy A51. So let's get started. Starting off the physical overview. On the front, as we can see, we have got this punch hole display. Now moving on to the back side, we have got L-shaped quad camera setup and LED flashlight. On the right side we have got the power button and above it we have got the volume increase and decrease button. Now moving on to the left side, on the left side we have got the SIM tray. Coming to the bottom, on the bottom we have got 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C port, microphone and speaker. On the top side we have got secondary noise cancellation microphone. Coming to the specification, Galaxy A51 comes with 6.5-inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED display powered by octa-core processor with Exynos 9611 chipset. Moving on to the camera, comes with quad cam setup with 48, 12 and 2 5MP sensors. On the front side it comes with 32MP sensor. The phone runs on Android 10. The phone is boosted by 4000 mAh battery. On the front it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and on the back side it is made up of plastic. Okay, let's take a look at the photos captured in outdoor conditions. These are some of the photo samples. And as we can see, the photos are great, color tone is excellent. Next, moving on to the portrait mode. As we can see, the subject is highlighted perfectly by blurring the background. There are actually totally 7 levels, with 7 being the maximum and 1 being the minimum. We can choose the level whichever we want to blur the background. Now let's see the difference between the photo captured using the maximum and minimum level. Now moving on to the front camera. As we can see, the photos are good. Let's take a look at the photos captured using normal mode and wide angle. So as we can see, using this wide angle there is not a big difference. Next, moving on to the portrait mode captured using the front camera. Again, as we can see, the photos are great. Same like rear cam, even on the front we have totally 7 levels for blurring the background. Now let's take a look at the photos captured using both maximum and minimum level. Now let's take a look at the video samples captured using this device. The video is being recorded at full HD resolution. So this is the video quality. Next, moving on to the low light. At low light, as we can see, it does a pretty decent job. Whereas in extreme low light, the camera actually struggles. But with night mode, it makes the photo better even in low light. Now let's take a look at the photos captured using the front camera in low light conditions. So these are some of the photo samples captured using the front camera. So for the front cam we actually don't have the night mode. Next, let's see the video sample captured using this device during night time. Next, let's have the zoom test of this camera. Next, moving on to the slow motion. Now coming to the impressions of this device, the first thing is that the device is actually lightweight, so it feels really comfortable to hold in the hand. Then if you see, the display of this phone is actually very great. It has got Super AMOLED display with Full HD resolution, and it has got dark theme in it which looks super cool thanks to Android 10. Then if you see, we have got this punch hole display. Again, it looks great. It comes with black finish on the camera area. Coming to the performance of this device, the performance of this device was actually great. There was no lag issues. Only inside the camera application, there was actually a minor lag. While switching from normal angle to wide angle, there was a lag. Next, talking about the battery, this device has got 4000 mAh battery, which is pretty good for our daily tasks. As of the gaming experience was also very good. We played 2 games. I played PUBG Mobile and PES. No lag issues. The device actually felt warmer near the camera area as well as on the screen. Okay guys, so that's it from this video. Hope you all found this video useful. If you all have not yet subscribed my channel, please make sure to subscribe it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.